Compared to last year, oil prices have nearly halved. Now, for many people this may be good news, as it has lowered the oil price of petrol at the pump. But for some oil-producing countries, the news is not so good. In many oil-producing countries, oil revenues are the single most important source to fund government spending. It is not uncommon that oil revenues make up 50% or more of total government receipts, and in some cases it even amounts to 80% or higher. As a result, most oil exporters need oil prices that are considerably above the current level in order to balance the government budget. And the worse the economy is performing, the less leeway there is to cut spending or increase taxes without hurting the economy even more. Now, what the state of the economy is being depicted on the vertical axis. The higher on that axis, the more worrisome the economic situation. Fortunately, many countries have financial buffers to avoid immediate steep spending cuts or sharp tax increases. The size of these financial reserves is being represented by a bubble. The bigger the bubble, the larger the capacity to withstand a prolonged period of low oil prices. According to these metrics, the economies of Iran and Venezuela seem most vulnerable if the current oil price persists. The large difference between oil price required to balance the budget and the actual oil price indicates buffers may erode quickly, while the state of the economy is not particularly good. But in fact, almost all oil-producing countries will need to adjust to the new realities in the global oil market.